a faffing around video, surprise, surprise, with possets. So I've got two questions that I want to answer about possets, and one is, do we actually have to add an acid to it to set them, or will just adding the sugar and boiling it for, well, simmering it for 5 minutes be enough to set it? So that's a question I want to ask. And then this is, I've tried it with citric acid, I've tried it with Seville oranges, I've tried it with normal oranges, I've tried it with lemons, and it all works. So this is the juice from some frozen gooseberries, which I have reduced down. So it's quite tart gooseberries. So I reduced it down because there was too much liquid, and I'm going to add that liquid back to the gooseberries. But I'll have another video. So, but I just kind of thought, well, as that's quite acidic and quite tart, quite sour, this reduced gooseberry juice, will that set a posset? And if it'll work for gooseberry juice, it'll also work for rhubarb juice as well, which I'm just kind of quite interested in. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to. So the recipe is, I don't think that'll set. But anyway, so the recipe is 600 milliliters of double cream, 150 grams worth of sugar. So you bring the cream up to the boil, add the sugar, simmer it for 5 minutes, and then you add the acid to it, and then hopefully it sets. So I'll take half of this cream out, and I've just got the scales just off camera. So just put that somewhere safe. So we'll take half of this out of here. That's not going to set, but I'm just curious anyway. So we need 375 grams in total, which is probably not actually. That'll do. We'll have lost a little bit through liquid. Does that look about right? That look about half. Yeah, I reckon that looks about half. So that's that. Then whisk it in, and then this is 60 grams worth of the reduced. I think we need a bit more than that. I think I've added a bit too much. That'll do. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Right, so this is 60 grams worth of reduced gooseberry juice. We'll see what happens. Pretty colour. I think that's down to the oxidisation of the gooseberry juice. Is that colour? It was quite clear, green and a bit clear. So we'll just kind of see how that turns out. And then we need jug. Ever prepared. Alright, and we need a spatula. So put into there. Like that. Let's give that a quick whisk. And then in that 3 containers, and I'll even know if I've taken enough cream and sugar out, because this will just fill 3 containers, which it looks like it's doing. Yeah, we've done about the right ratio, about half and half. That's okay, so we'll see. Maybe we'll see how this goes. But I can't see why it won't. And if it works with gooseberry juice, it'll work with rhubarb juice, and so we won't need to do rhubarb juice. So we'll see if it does set overnight, and we'll see how we go. So, can we taste? Not very acidic. It's different though. Looks like it's setting already. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. The posset has set quite well actually. Look at that. So I've got 2 spoons. I'm doing something else. That's not to do with this. This is the cream that we just boiled and added the sugar to. So it's thickened up. It's thickened up. But that's probably just down to the sugar. So it's like gone a little bit syrupy. So you certainly need to add the acid to set it. What's sweetened cream taste like? I'm going to do something with it. I've got another idea for Posset. So it's not going to go to waste. So that's that. And then gooseberry compote, which is a lovely pink, like a salmon pink colour. So it's set well. That's really nice. I think you could do a rhubarb one. I think you could do a rhubarb one, that'd be lovely. It's forced rhubarb season at the moment. Can't eat any more of that. I'll save it. It's forced rhubarb season at the moment, so we might have a go at making a rhubarb one. But it's a lovely colour, and I'd never think you'd never kind of guess. It's subtle, so if you don't like gooseberries, I don't know why people don't. And there were green ones. So the pink's just down to the oxidation of the caramelisation. Oxidation, caramelisation, and the natural sugars within the gooseberry juice. So yeah, that works. So it'll work with a rhubarb. So we'll have a go at the rhubarb one, and probably go into a little bit more depth about how we get the juice out of the rhubarb. But there we go, a success and delicious.